Use appropriate safety equipment when maneuvering the oven into your workspace. Unpack the oven by tearing at the seams of the plastic packaging. The efficient packaging is easily disassembled. Remove the brackets and place to the side. Inside the oven, you will find the manual as well as the fitting components. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. Only authorized persons should connect the cable to the mains. Remove the plinth. Using the vertical brackets, mark the center hole and make a pilot hole. Attach the vertical brackets, then top and bottom holes. Now fit the horizontal bracket, which will fit into position. Using the horizontal bracket as a guide, mark the holes with a pen, then make a pilot hole. Fit the horizontal bracket. Once it has been fitted with the 3 screws, make additional pilot holes in the lower holes and screw an additional 3 screws in. Repeat for the other side. With a colleague, lift the oven into the niche, taking care not to damage the product or the kitchen unit. Using your thumbs, gently nudge the oven into a central position. For the next step, you will need a screwdriver and the screws provided. Whilst holding the oven in place, carefully open the door. Fix the oven into place using the screws provided. Make sure the oven is securely fastened. Put the plinth back into position. For the oven to function, you must first set the time of day. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.